Verb to be in the present.
Am, is, are.
In affirmative, I am. Negative, I am not. Interrogative, am I?
Yes, I am. No, I am not. Yes, you are.
In this video, we are going to talk about the verb to be in affirmative, negative, and interrogative.
Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they.
The verb to be in the present.
The forms of the verb to be: am, is, are.
To be in the present. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Example: I am a student. I am a student. You are a teacher. You are a teacher. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. We are students. We are students. Negative form: I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. You are not. They are not.
Example: I am not a teacher.
I am a student.
You are not a doctor.
You are a teacher.
He is not a student.
He is a doctor.
It is not a car. It is a table. You are not teachers. You are friends. They are not friends. They are teachers.
Are not. Interrogative form: am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they?
Interrogative: are you a student? Is he a teacher? Are they friends? Are we students? Are you teachers? Short answers: yes, I am. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, you are not. Yes, it is. No, it is not. Yes, he is. No, he is not. Yes, they are. No, they are not.
See you in another recording.